Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to an informative life. Today's our topic is top 5 best run scorer in PSL 2020. So without our wasting, let's start our video. Number 1 highest scored batsman is Babar Azam from Karachi Kings, and he made a score 345 out of 279 balls in 9 innings and the average 49.28. So number 1 is Babar Azam. Babar Azam is a Pakistani cricketer who captains the Pakistan national team in limited overs cricket and is a top order batsman. Born in October 15, 1994, aged 25 years. Number 2 very highest score batsman is Celine from Lahore Qalandars. He made a score of 284 out of 158 balls in 8 innings and the average is 40.57. So second highest run scorer in PSL 2020 is Celine. Christopher Australian is an Australian cricketer who is a right-handed top-order batsman who plays for the Queensland Bulls in the Australian domestic cricket competition. He was born in Brisbane, Queensland and attended St Joseph New College and born in 10th April 1990, aged 30 years. Third highest run scorer in PSL 2020 is Ben Dunn from Lahore Qalandars. He made score 266 out of 148 balls in 7 innings and the average is 53.20. So highest scorer in PSL 2020 is third number Ben Dunn. Born March 11, 1987, aged 33 years. Number 4 highest run scorer in PSL 2020 is Al Chai from Islamabad United. He made 266 score out of 170 balls in 8 innings and the average is 38.00. So it's also same from Ben Dunk, but Ben Dunk is a faster scorer than Al Chai. So Al Chai got the 4th position. Chai is a New Zealand cricket coach and cricketer. He represented both the Australian national cricket team and New Zealand national cricket team in international cricket. Born April 23, 1981, aged 39 years. This Shadab Khan from Islamabad United. He made runs 263 out of 165 balls in 8 innings and the average is 37.57. So fifth number highest run scorer in PSL 2020 is Shadab Khan. So these are the 5 highest run scorer in PSL 2020. Hope so you have enjoyed this video. Take care of yourself. Please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. Shadab Khan is a Pakistani cricketer who plays for the Pakistan national cricket team. He was born in Miawali, a city in northeast Punjab, Pakistan. In August 2018, he was one of 33 players to be awarded a central contract for the 2018-19 season by the Pakistan Cricket Board. Born in October 4, 1998, aged 21 years.